Sorry.
I'll have to thank CTOS one day. Simple breach of their facial recognition software, and I've got access to everyone's personal details. That guy's out of control. I'm not gonna let him hurt anyone today. A simple trace of his call, and he's mine.
Perdóname.
I know that.
All right. He's here somewhere. Just move carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work.
No sabe administrar nada. Estaba llamando porque necesito...
Okay, let's find this guy and get this over with. She must be the woman he's after. This guy's close. I can feel it.
Hey! We need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about. We're done. Deal with
You're
it.
so fucking wrong. I'm not done yet.
I gotta stop him now.
This ain't your problem.
Why is this happening? Why me?
Okay, if I were holding up.
You won't bother anyone now.